talk right now, but I gotta get to Mount Lebanon.
Mount Lebanon?
Yeah.
Mr. Twistle. Actually, I'm on my way to Mount Lebanon also, so how about we share an Uber?
Alright, get in.
Okay, so when I worked at the theater, I worked Star Wars premiere night, and oh my god, there was so much popcorn everywhere. It was insane, and Mr. Twistle.
What?
Look, this is a really important conversation. I'm just...
Sorry, it's just, this thing's very impossible.
I can do it.
What? No, you can't. Nobody can. It's bullshit.
No, I'm pretty sure I can do it.
No, you can't.
Let me see it. Give it here. Oh, wow, you really messed this up. So it looks like it works around a swivel, so the center pieces never move. So if it's yellow in the center, that's the yellow side. If it's red in the center, it's the red side. You can slow down.
We can drive around all day, because I don't think you can solve this. See, that's all I ever do. Good job.